Show you how to use this scooter. This is the lock. First we use this one to turn on the scooter. This display shows the voltage, and this is the horn. See, when the display didn't switch on, this one doesn't work. We need to use this button, long press the power button to switch on display. And now we use this one to turn on and turn off the lights, and this is the horn. Okay. Alright, this is the signal. When I turn on the front light, the sunlight is on, and turn the signal left and right. On here, this is the turn signal. Left and right. This is the brake light flash. And charger. The voltage of this scooter is 48, so this is how I use the charger. The charging port is on the back wing here. We call this charging port as a DC charger. Right, now let me show you how to use the display. And first, we put the scooter. If you turn to page 6, there is the setting menu. Alright, we long press the M button. This one, long press the M button. We first see what is the speed of this scooter. Now this is the gear 3, and press the minus button to change the gear 0. When I use the throttle, gear 0, no reaction. And we turn the gear 1, use the throttle. Okay, the maximum speed is we're gonna show. Okay, gear 2, 17 kilometers per hour. Okay, gear 3, 24 kilometers per hour. because the speed of the scooter is limited. So the maximum speed is 24 km/h. Let me show you how to release the limit speed. We go to the page menu. First, page 6. We long press the M button to go to the setting menu. P01. Okay, this is about the display mode. It doesn't help. We're going to this. Press it. We're going to change it to P02. P02 is about how to set the speed unit. Now this is the kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. We press the plus button. It changes to mile per hour. Mile per hour. So we use the kilometers per hour. Okay, and we press the M button to change the P03. P03 is about the maximum speed. The maximum speed is it should be. We changed it to 99. Okay, 92. The maximum speed is 92. We long press the M button or just leave it. Now let's see the gear 3, the maximum speed. It's 45 km/h. This is how to set the maximum speed. Okay, let's do it again. Long press the M button to end the menu. This is the P03 about the maximum speed. We short press the click the P04. P04 means about the scooter voltage. This is a TODIMART S9. Okay, the rated voltage is 48. No need to change. Also, if you use the 52 or 60 or 24, they're all wrong. So you have to change it. You have to set it to 48. Let's see. Let me show you what's the difference. When the P04 is 48, we see the battery power is almost 80%, right? 80%. And what if we set it to the 760? And let's see what's going on with the display. Okay, just leave it. And after actually, see, it's only 1%. So we have to change it back to 48. Just leave it. About 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 80%. You get a number. Let's do it again. Long press the M button to see the next one. Short press the M button. P05. P05 is about 0 start and non-zero start. Now it's 0. What's the difference between 0 start and the non-zero start? When I change the gear, you set the gear 3 or gear 2 and use the throttle. The wheel is rolling. If you set it to something else, like we set it to 1, okay, just leave it at 5, 6 seconds. Let's see what's going on with this scooter. All right, now this is the gear 2, right? We use the throttle, but there's no action with the wheel. And you have to use your hand or use it to roll the wheel a little bit, or you can have to push the scooter forward a little bit. So this is up to you. If you look at this, the state is economic. That means a non-zero start. And you have to, if you want to start your scooter, you have to press the throttle at the same time push your scooter forward a little bit. So this is the economic state. Let's go to change it. I prefer the P05 to 0. This is 0 starts. Okay, wait for 6 seconds. Just leave it for 6 seconds and see this is the normal. This is state. At this stage, we just use the throttle anytime. No need to push the scooter forward. You can just use the throttle anytime, right? This is about the 0 start. And P06, so no need to change it. P06, just leave it, no need to change. Okay, P07, this is about the cruise control. Cruise control means this is 0, right? We press it to 01. And just leave it. Okay, all right, then we use the throttle. Keep it up for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, just leave your hands here on this icon. This is about the 0 start. You need to hold your throttle all the time. You can just release let it go. Okay, this is how to use the menu, and I'd like to introduce you to look at this. Here there is a white line on the bottom, and let's see the gears 3. The maximum speed is 45 km/h, right? And we already taught you how to set the P03 to set the maximum speed. And there's another way to fast set the maximum speed. Look at this one, the plus button, and long press the plus button. Press it 1, 2, 3, 4. See, there is another line on the top. And this is the gear 3. Let's see what's the maximum speed. 19 km/h. 90 km/h, right? Okay, this is the faster way to set the limit speed. And we long press the plus button again. Press it 1, 2, 3. See, the white line is disappear, and the maximum speed become 45 km/h.